The second episode of Bigg Boss 10 was really interesting to watch. The day started with the first task in the Bigg Boss house, where the celebrities were Sevak while India Wale common people were the Malik. There is a rule book which has all the rules of the first task. The rule states that the celebrities are supposed to do all the household work and keep the Maliks entertained at all times. The celebrities can sleep and use the bathroom only after the commoners have done so. Celebs will also be able to eat only on banana leaves and are forbidden from using any kitchen utensils. The India Wale commoners can give order to celebrities with a bell called Hukum Ki Ghanti. Commoner Priyanka Jagga is throwing tantrums and also quarrels with Bani and rejects Rohan Mehra's cooking skills. Priyanka Jagga feels insulted when Bani ignores her praying question about her age. Priyanka, Manoj and Manveer try every trick in the book to allot more work to the celebrities. From criticizing their cooking skills to making them clean the swimming pool thrice a day to not letting them take bath before they are done. The commoners ensure that the celebrities are treated in the most common way. The first nomination of Bigg Boss 10 was really interesting to watch, as the commoners and celebrity groups had to nominate 2 members from the other group respectively. Each commoner had to give 2 names from the celebrity group and the reason for their nomination. The celebrities, on the other hand, were collectively asked to decide 2 names from the commoner that they would like to nominate. The commoners nominated Gaurav Chopra and Mona Lisa, and the celebrity nominated Priyanka and Manu as they don't like their vibes. In the second episode, we can see that after lights are out, the celebrities are seen waiting to hit the bed. But they are not able to sleep as the rule book doesn't allow them to go to bed before the commoners. Manu is still awake late in the night, and because he is awake, the celebrities cannot sleep. This might be Manu's new strategy to pester the celebrities. The third episode of Bigg Boss 10 will be really interesting to watch.
For information and updates, subscribe to Teletalk India.